Hey guys, welcome to the channel, Taking a Bath, and the bathroom is the only place where you can play your gadgets in peace. On this channel, we do product reviews and also some tutorials. If you want to support the channel, look in the description of the video. You're going to see my link tree. Click on that. They have a host of video courses that could potentially change your life. So today, guys, we want to look at how you can get free products. I want to give you some tips and tricks when communicating back and forth with companies. In this case, we're going to get a pair of headphones. So let's go ahead and see exactly how I communicate with this company. And when we come back in the studio, I'm gonna give you some more tips and tricks on how you can get free stuff too. All right, so here is an example of a company contacting us to do a product review. Now, if you watched the channel before, if you seen me go live before, and if you brought the how to get free products video course for $35, you already know that companies will reach out to you once you have established yourself using those tricks and tips that I showed you in the video course on getting a portfolio. When you get to this point, companies will reach out to you. Now, here's one of the things I do. Whenever a company reach out to me, I'm not so much interested in the product right away. I'm interested in what they have to say within their first couple of lines. And right here, you can see, our brand has specialized in manufacturing audio and headphones for years and urged an excellent reputation worldwide. I want to invite you to collaborate with me. I love your personal channel content on YouTube. You can see the language barrier a little bit there. Your video content really surprised me, so I write a letter to you to invite you to make a collaboration with us. One of our latest killer products will be shipped to you if you're interested in collaborating with us. So the reason why I want to read the first couple of lines is I want to see if I worked with the companies before, and I want to see if they are reintroducing me to a new product, because I treat new companies and I treat current clients differently. The reason why is you always want to get a new client in, okay? Now, once you have that client, you just want to satisfy them. You want to retain them. It's called retention. That's if you love their products, okay? But you want to get them in. So my response to them was basically, yeah, I'm interested in it, okay? And then say, you know, they kind of asked me about if I charge anything, and I told them, yes, you know, we do charge a small fee of $150 to post on one platform, $500 to post on multiple platforms, okay? And then asked if I was based in the US or whatever. I just was answering the question right here, that I am based in the US and what we're charged. And so that is like, this is our first collaboration. Is it possible that a free product in exchange for a dedicated video on YouTube, on your YouTube channel? So whenever people do stuff like that, man, it's up to you. Remember, you are your own boss. So what I immediately did was I was like, hey, look, you know, go ahead and let me see if you have a link for the product. So they send me a link for the product, and this is when you do your research. So I come here and I see the product is $89. Now, obviously, if I'm charging you $500, $89 is not interesting to me. When I'm doing my research, I want to look at all of your products. So I go to the home page, okay, and I'm looking at their videos, okay, and I'm looking at their pictures, and I'm like, they have some high quality videos, high quality pictures. So it means that this company, at the very least, has invested in branding, okay. So now I want to look at their products. I'm looking at their products and I'm looking at the pricing, okay. Is this a company that I can begin a relationship with? Because at the very least, if I do a good job, at the very least, I can get all of these products that you see right here for free, okay? Just based off of this one relationship. So, of course, I went ahead and I said, yes, we can start like that. I do that a lot. After the first review, they usually like it. The second review is usually a paid review. You just got to retain them, making sure that your work is good, man. So yeah, so like I said, yes, that would be fine. We do that all the time to be a relationship with new companies. However, we usually do it with companies we have long relationships with. We look forward to working with you. Let's jump back into the studio and let me explain this to you in detail. So I know what you're saying. You like tech. I mean, that really didn't make sense to me. Why are you showing me an email? I'm here to get the free stuff. Guys, listen, As I told you in the past, 99.9% of getting free merchandise is learning how to communicate with the companies and knowing exactly what to tell the companies. You have to know what these companies want to hear. There's thousands of people trying to get free stuff. They just don't have the secret method. I have the secret method. We have worked with well over 600 storefronts on Amazon and different companies, man, around the world. So guys, there you have it. Build your portfolio, learn how to negotiate, and pretty soon we're going to be getting those headphones onto the channel to do a review. You can do the same thing, guys. Look in the description of the video course. I'm going to link or pin in the description of the video the link to get the how to get free product video course. $35, man. You could get all kind of free stuff. Oh yeah, and stay tuned. If you're not following me on TikTok, you might miss this great video. I brought this DJI Mini 3 to a slave plantation. That's right. I actually flew it above a slave house and inside a slave house. So I'm probably gonna do a short with that. Probably gonna drop on TikTok first, so follow me on TikTok. It's your boy Taking the Bathroom. Until next time, peace. Don't forget to subscribe. Guys, I can get all kind of gadgets and free stuff. It's not hard. Not hard. Spell out $35. Change your life. Peace. Don't forget to subscribe and also hit that notification button so you can be up to date with all of my latest videos.